Hello and welcome to lesson 1 of week 12. In this lesson, we are going to introduce Amazon Web Service. We are going to look at what cloud computing is, and we are going to create our AWS account for us to get ready to start creating and configuring our servers for deployment of our app. My name is Mildred. Now, cloud computing is a game changer that enables us to access shared pools of configurable resources, and these resources can be easily provisioned over the internet. In this course, we're just not going to learn about it, but we're going to build one to deploy our application to the cloud. So we'll be using Amazon Web Service Cloud because it offers a free tier service that we can use for the first year without having to pay. So we'll keep our resources within the free tier. So as we approach this practical part of the course, it is crucial for you to have an account. And for you to have an account, you want to head over to the console. So you sign in if you already have an account, but if not, you want to create your account here. So you say sign into the console. Because I already have an account, I will sign in. For you just starting for the first time, you want to create a new account. You're going to provide your email address and the username that you want, and then when you click on verify email address, it's going to send you a verification code. Most of the time this code goes into your junk or spam folder, so you give it at least 5 minutes to see if you get the code. Enter the code to verify the account. I don't want to create a new account because I already have one. And once you get that account verified, you want to fill in your contact information, answer the questions on screen. The on-screen instructions are straightforward. You answer those questions. You'll also be asked to provide payment details. I think they'll have a $1 authorization charge hold on your card, and they claim it's for verification of identity, but you need to provide your card details when you create your AWS account for them to verify your identity. So once this account is created, you will have 12 months of free tier access, and so make sure that any plan you select are always the free plans, so your card is not billed. So although you are going to be using the free tier, if you use services that are outside of the free tier, the card information you provided will be billed. Okay, so follow the on-screen instruction, get your account created, your new account, and when done, you sign into your account. Now, I'm going to be logging in as a root user because I have not put any form of security on my account. As this is not a cloud computing course, we are going to skip all of those security parts. We will just configure our identity access management to use multi-factor authentication, and then we'll leave all other IAM services functionalities for a different course that deals with cloud computing. So I'm the root user for the account I created. I want to put the email address for the account, and next I want to put in the password. Now, I do not have multi-factor authentication, so this is not as secured as it should be. The first thing I want to do is to just scan around, look at what the management console is about. It shows me recently visited. You might not see the same thing I'm seeing here, but what you will take note of is these services here. So services here, you can see all the different services that Amazon Web Service offers. We're not going to be using all of them. We're only going to focus on building our server and deploying to the server. So we want to do the identity access management IAM. You can type IAM, you will see that here. Click on the IAM, and what we want to do here is to add multi-factor authentication for the root user. Now, we want to be very careful using the root user because it has access to everything. For security purpose, it's better to create a new user and you put the user in different groups and grant different roles to the user. But for this course, it is not a cloud computing course. We're not going to go into the deeper details of cloud computing and cloud security. We're just going to add multi-factor authentication, which is enough security for what we need to do. So to add this, you might need to download an authenticator app on your device, like Duo Mobile. I think I use Duo Mobile, and you can also use Google Authenticator. I think those ones are actually good authenticator apps that you can use. I'll click on add MFA. I want to type a name for my device, assign MFA. I want to use authenticator app, and then next device name, let's say Mildred. I'll say Mildred Mark, and then I will go next. So it says install a compatible application such as Google Authenticator, Duo Mobile, or Authy app on your mobile device. Then open the Authenticator app, choose show QR code. So I open the app and then I will choose show QR code, and I will scan this code here with my device, and now it captured that, and now I have that here, and I can easily put in the codes that I get, 947332, and wait another a few seconds for it to refresh a new code, and then I'll put in the next code. I have a new code, and then I will add MFA. Now all is well, multi-factor authentication has been added on this. So just go through the instructions, create your account, go to the Identity Access Management console and add multi-factor authentication. You need to have one of the Authenticator app on your device, follow the on-screen instruction, use the code to be able to have a more secured login. So this is where we end this lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to look at Elastic Cloud Compute. Thank you and see you in the next